Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll dive into the heart of your car's lubrication system, the oil pump. We'll explore its crucial functions and the symptoms of a failing oil pump. So, what exactly is an oil pump? Simply put, the oil pump is responsible for circulating engine oil under pressure to the bearings, pistons, and camshaft of the engine. This ensures that all moving parts are lubricated and helps cool the engine. The oil pump draws oil from the oil pan and pushes it through the oil filter and then into the engine's oil galleries. From there, it reaches the components that need lubrication. It's essential for reducing friction and wear and for preventing overheating. Functions of the oil pump. The primary functions of the oil pump include: Number 1. Lubrication. By circulating oil, the pump ensures all moving parts are coated with oil, reducing friction and wear. Number 2. Cooling. The oil also helps dissipate heat from the engine components. Number 3. Hydraulic pressure. Some engine components, like hydraulic lifters, depend on oil pressure to operate. Number 4. Cleaning. The oil carries dirt and debris away from engine parts, helping to keep the engine clean. How does the oil pump work? Now, let's take a closer look at how an oil pump works. Most cars use a gear-type or rotor-type oil pump. Most oil pumps are gear-driven, with gears that mesh together to create suction and pressure. As the gears rotate, they draw oil from the oil pan and push it through the engine's oil passages. Then in a rotor-type pump, an inner rotor spins inside an outer rotor, generating a similar effect. Regardless of the type, the principle is the same: the pump moves oil from the pan to the engine components that need it. Now, let's talk about the symptoms of a failing oil pump. Ignoring these signs can lead to severe engine damage, so it's crucial to be aware of them. Here are some common symptoms to watch out for. Number 1. Low oil pressure. If the oil pressure warning light on your dashboard illuminates, it could indicate a problem with the oil pump. Number 2. Engine overheating. Without proper lubrication, engine components generate more heat, causing the engine to overheat. Number 3. Noisy valve train. Insufficient oil flow can cause the valve train to become noisy, producing a ticking or clattering sound. Number 4. Knocking sounds. A failing oil pump can lead to insufficient lubrication of the crankshaft and bearings, causing knocking noises from the engine. Number 5. Increased engine wear. If the oil pump is not providing adequate lubrication, you may notice increased engine wear and potentially a loss of engine performance. So, what should you do if you suspect your oil pump is failing? First, check your oil level and condition. Low or dirty oil can cause low oil pressure. If the oil looks good, it's time to visit a professional mechanic for a thorough inspection. Don't wait too long. A failing oil pump can cause catastrophic engine damage if not addressed promptly. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding oil pump issues. Here are some tips. Regular oil changes. Number 1. Change your oil and filter according to your car's maintenance schedule. Use quality oil. Number 2. Always use the oil recommended by your car manufacturer. Monitor oil levels. Number 3. Check your oil level regularly and top up if necessary. Listen for unusual noises. Number 4. Pay attention to any unusual noises coming from your engine. Understanding the role of the oil pump and recognizing the symptoms of failure can save you from costly repairs and keep your engine running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more car maintenance tips.